Okay, now we're going to Peachtree from Lenox Supercharger. Thanks. And it's right around the corner. There's the EVgo station. There's a Tesla station right next to that. Next to that EVgo. Their maps are terrible. It's green. It's green.
Come back again.
Because the map sucks. It's over there. It's like you always complain when we put the map in. She's like, turn around, turn around. She's like, this that woman, turn around, turn around. No. You only said it a million times. Oh, how do we get in? It said no, but I don't really care. Oh, it's blocked. All right, it says charging. There, yep, that's the Tesla charger. How do we get around? Okay, so if you see Macy's, the Cheesecake Factory, Nike, and one of these main entrances here for the Lenox Square, you've gone the right way to get to the Tesla Supercharger. Now, how to get past that gate to get to it. Valet only. Screw that. Yeah, it's over there. It's like you have to pay them to park. Forget that. Pay to let somebody drive your car? I don't think so. Not my Tesla. See how they put the cars they think are fancy up front, like this Maserati, which is nothing, and that Bentley SUV, which is interesting. Slower than this. Okay. And that Audi. Okay, the valet, do not enter here as well. Screw that noise. We're in. All right, here are the other Tesla Superchargers at the Lenox Square Mall. Wow, also locked out. But, nope.
They're not Tesla Supercharger.
That's the Tesla Supercharger right there, the small one, yeah. So as you can see, it's been iced by the flippin' valet. They got their valet only, do not park here in the last two stalls. Well, the last stall for sure. I'm gonna find another way around, and then we will call this review. I'm gonna give this one, at least at this hour of the day, I'm gonna give this one a 1 out of 10 so far, just because the valet is icing your space. These things cost money. Tesla pays lease and rent to these places. If there's not one more entrance, I'll give it a 1. If there's another entrance, they stand a chance.
Then buy for Tesla?
No, Tesla buys from them. They pay rent.
And then charge the customer again for park for customer?
That doesn't look like that's part of the valet. It looks like the valet is wasting one of their spaces, is what I'm saying. There's 8 spaces, but you can only use 7. She wasn't gonna stop. She was just gonna not hit me. This is an Uber. Parking made easy. $8. $8. I'm paying you $8 to park. Especially not to make a video of parking. Yes. Okay, so here we are at the other half of the Atlantic Square parking. You've got two EVgo quick chargers. Looks like you got a combo. You got a CHAdeMO and CCS combo port, and you've got one CHAdeMO only. 4 spaces for those 3 connections. And then you've got 2 level 2 EVgo charging stations. And then technically you've got, let's see what this thing says. You've got 2 of 5 stalls available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of the 5 stalls that Tesla's paying for, yeah, you actually can use 4. Ah, I see. No, it's just poorly. No, yeah, you can't really get a Model X in there easily. You're gonna hit the gate. Anyway, of the 5 stalls, the last one is gonna be a tight squeeze if you're in a Model X. If you're in a Model 3, it'll be just fine. What's this person want? Just walking around. All right, and so of the 5 stalls, the last one is gonna be a tight squeeze if you're in a Model X. Or larger, if there's ever a larger vehicle anytime soon. And it looks to be in an $8 lot, so they may try to get some money out of you. Careful on that. Like I said, I give this one, I'll give it 2 for being close to the mall. But I recommend just going around the corner to the other destination, sorry, the other Urban Supercharger. No. Hey, let's ask him. Teslas are exempt from that $8 fee, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Navigate to the Georgia Aquarium. Okay, so you heard it here from the valet. They do not charge you $8 to use the supercharger. However, I still rate it low. Rated low. I will probably do a voiceover without the indignation and entitlement and give it a better rating. Maybe up to a 3. But there you go. There you have it. There's the Peachtree Supercharger. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. Catch you on the flip side.